Greetings, adventurers. We're here today in Red Wing, Minnesota at Barn Bluff. There's I mapped out about a 3-mile loop. It's not really a loop, it's kind of a squiggle. But it's about 3.5 miles. We're gonna go check out a whole bunch of places. I saw a whole bunch of points of interest on this place, so let's go check it out. Getting here just now, when I walked up here and saw this sign, I have been here before. I don't know when, but I know I've been here before. But it was a long time ago, and it was in the summer. So, let's go. So, already I can tell they've done a lot of work to this place, because I remember before it was just very primitive trails, and that was it. Now they got signs everywhere. There's stairs made out of stone, some beautiful stone. Yeah, so they've done some work here. It is like 35 degrees. It's beautiful outside today. Absolutely gorgeous day. And we're climbing up. We're going to start getting some views here. Ah, yes, the NSP power plant. Gorgeous. I don't know what it is. As much as I love nature, there's something about big industrial structures like that intrigue me as well. What is this? Upon my arrival here at this cliff, I see there's bolts and stuff for rock climbing all over, and I remembered that's why I was here. A long time ago, I used to do some rock climbing, and I've rock climbed here, and I've rock climbed some of these faces. Yeah, I don't really want to record them, but there's a bunch of rock climbers back there climbing rock face. That's awesome. I will say, it's pretty awesome walking at the bottom of these big cliffs. You know, I got this big cliff on one side of me, and then on the other side, there's a drop off. There's like a big, almost like a levee or something. And then a big drop off. So it's very quiet. There's no animals. So there's not a lot of space for them to live and eat. It's very quiet. No wind because the cliffs are blocking the wind. Although it is fairly windy today. So it might be a little breezy on the top. Alright, we are entering a dangerous section of the hike. Only for advanced hikers. Hey, that's me. I'm an advanced hiker. Alright. Alright, well, let's go to the West Scenic Overlook. It's already a really nice overlook here. This is the Mississippi River, the mighty Mississippi. That you can see there's a beginning of a little island right here. And you can't see the end of it, but that's Carlson Island. I don't know what this thing is. Some kind of barge depot or something. I don't know. Anyway, here we go. Use the rope so you don't fall over the edge, it says. Alright, so we've reached this overlook here. Overlooking the bridge. There's a little sign here that says there's stairs going up the rest of the way. An enormous staircase. Doesn't look fun. But apparently these stairs were originally built in 1929. And they went all the way from Main Street down there. I don't know where Main Street is. It might be this highway. I don't know. But it went all the way down to Main Street, and then in the 1950, when they built this bridge, oh, a little ice fall in there. In 1950, they built this bridge, and most of the stairs were destroyed. As you can see, there's a destroyed section right here. And these are the remaining stairs right here. So, yeah, but this is a beautiful overlook over here. Alright, so we've reached the top of Barn Bluff, and here's the other side. I pretty much walked around the whole back side, and I just came around to the front. Up on top, there's a flag right on top. Very patriotic. Yeah, it's a gorgeous little town. Alright. I don't know if you can hear me. I just came over this like the top of this crest here. And a beautiful view. The wind sure picked up though. So you might be getting a lot of wind noise. Sorry about that. But yeah, it was gorgeous just down this. It's almost like a canyon, but it's not really a canyon. These are bluffs. I don't know what the correct definition of a bluff is, but it's a Minnesota mountain. That's what it is. Here in Minnesota, these people call them mountains. I think a bluff is like a dramatic hill. It's just like a hill with a dramatic incline. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. We have reached East Scenic Overlook. There's almost a full 360 view here. Yes. Power plant, that's over by where we started. Alright. It's actually absolutely gorgeous over here this way. The river and the bluffs. Over there, that bluff next to us over there. Can't remember the name of it, but that's another park over there we'll have to check out sometime. There's a bunch of trails over there as well. That bluff off there in the distance, that doesn't have a name, at least not one that was on the map. Alright, again, this is the Mississippi River. And that is Carlson Island. Gorgeous. Alright, we were at the top here, pretty much right below where I can almost see the parking lot right over there down at the bottom. So we have to go directly down. We're going to find out how I'm going to get down from here. It says there's a trail straight down. Anyway, I'm going to find a spot up here to make some hot chocolate. I'm going to sit, relax, and have some hot chocolate. Alrighty, folks, it is windy up here. Alright, I had my hot chocolate. I took a break. I sat here for probably like an hour. I talked to a friend on the phone. Yeah, anyway, it's time to hike down. Let's see how to get down from here. Let's figure it out. Alright, so there was no way to get down that way. But here's another trail we will take down. Alright, just came down this epic stairway of doom all the way from the top. Alright, battery kept cutting out on me, so I switched it out. But yeah, those stairs are over there, and you can see all the way up there. That's where the stairs came down from. And I'm walking down this hill. I'm probably going to run into the trail here that I started on pretty quick. Alright, we are back here at the parking lot. Well, not quite at the parking lot, but at the sign that we started at. It was a really beautiful hike here. Like I said, I recognize it. I've been here before, but never in the winter time. There was a couple more paths that I could have explored. We could do that some other time. In the end, I hiked probably about 3.5 miles. My trail marked out was 3 miles, but there was a couple extra spots I went, like that final lookout spot that wasn't on my trail. But anyway, yeah, it's good fun. Thanks for coming along. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next week on the next episode of Happy Trail Backpacking.